now that we have listened to our story again, we're going to look at this page in our ELA Theme 6 packet, and we're going to cut out these boxes, and then on the next page, we'll put them in order. So I'm going to help you decide the order now, and then you will glue it on your own. So we need to think about what happened in the story and when. So first, we have Tiger told Anansi to catch a snake alive. The snake slithered onto a tree. Anansi knew that the tiger was the strongest animal. Tiger agreed that the stories would be called Anansi stories, and Anansi greeted Snake at the river. What was the first thing to happen? Good. I'm going to put a number 1 at Anansi knew that the tiger was the strongest animal. That was the first thing that happened in the story. What happened next? Did Tiger tell Anansi to catch a snake alive? Did the snake slither onto the tree? Did Tiger agree to call the stories Anansi stories? Or did Anansi greet the snake at the river? That's right. Tiger told Anansi to catch the snake alive. He said, if you catch it alive, we'll call it the stories. So after the tiger told Anansi to catch the snake, did Anansi greet the snake at the river? Did the snake slither onto a tree? Or did the tiger agree that the stories would be called Anansi stories? Correct. Anansi greeted Snake at the river. After Anansi greeted Snake, did the snake slither onto the tree? Or did Tiger agree that the stories would be called Anansi stories? Correct. The snake slithered on the tree, which means at the end, Tiger agreed that the stories would be called Anansi stories. So now you're going to cut these out and place them in order on the page after this.